Stephanie, what are some of the classes and special events that you sponsor?
In the springtime, we offer some educational classes to our customers on watering, container design, and about different types of plants like petunias. But we also offer fun classes where you can complete a project like make a Christmas tree or make a pine pot or make a planter out of some of the hanging baskets that we have.
So do you teach all the classes or do you have staff that helps?
I teach all the educational classes, but then we ask two other people to come in and they teach like stained glass or resin making, things like that.
Okay, so then spring kind of starts to wind down. How about the summer and the fall?
In the summer and fall, we have some events that are open to the public. We have a couple of vendor shows. One is called Maker's Market at the end of August, where we have probably 30 or 35 vendors that come in. Everything is either handmade or repurposed by that artisan. We also have some food trucks, and then we have sales and things like that going on as well. They're all held right here in the main greenhouse.
So you can have them whether the weather is bad or...
Right, if it's raining, we still have a great turnout because everything is inside.
So like what are some of the vendors that you have at your Maker's Market?
We have everything from baking to jewelry to crystals to t-shirts to quilting, pretty much anything that you can think of.
Then do you do a lot of fall events too?
We do a couple of fall events. We're going to hold a couple of evenings where customers can come in and maybe we'll do a fun activity like a make and take canvas art or planter, something like that. And then we'll have some sales, we'll have a food truck, things like that. Then we also have, at the end of September, beginning of October, we have Festifall. And that is another vendor show where we invite vendors in for a day, and oftentimes we get some different people at that time, different vendors, because we're looking more towards things that are for sale for Christmas. And then we continue to have pumpkins and mums, we'll have food and end of the year sales.
Are you open year-round?
We're not. We actually close to the public at the beginning of October, but then we continue to have classes in November, like pine pot classes, Christmas decor classes that we do a few weekends in November.
What is a pine pot class?
So that is when you make those winter containers with all the evergreens, and then we also have for sale extra cute little berries and snowmen and snowflakes and things that you can add to your pot.
You have a lot of garden decor here. Do you use those in some of your classes too?
Sometimes we will do planter classes, and then they can also choose, you know, a little pot sticker. We have some magnetic butterflies that you can stick to metal pots, things like that that we can add to it.
This is the busy time of the year for you, but when was the last time you had a day off at the greenhouse?
Probably the middle of February.
So you've been pretty much been working straight through for 4 months.
Yes, yes.
Wow. What are the main reasons that people come and shop here at Thompson Greenery?
I would say the two biggest reasons are we have really healthy plants and we have a knowledgeable staff that is going to take the time to help you. And if you have questions, they will help you. And they know what they're doing. They're all gardeners themselves. They have a lot of knowledge from gardening for many years. And they love helping people find and put together arrangements and help them be successful in gardening as well.
So do you have any plans for the future or changes for the future?
Currently we're looking more to add more classes and such as the season goes on. But other than that, we're happy with the way things are right now, and the model that was set up that we purchased has been very successful.
Thanks so much for letting us come to visit, even in this rain, especially now during your busy season. Thanks for giving us the time and showing us your beautiful place.
Yeah, not a problem. We appreciate you coming. At least we're able to talk. If it was raining any harder, we wouldn't hear each other.